Experiencing connectivity problems with your T-Mobile access point? This often boils down to IP address conflicts, DNS resolution errors, or the need for a reset. T-Mobile has rolled out updates, including firmware v5.12.1, featuring enhanced auto reconnection and improved IP assignment, especially after outages. Check your T-Mobile app version 8.5 or later for an AI-driven diagnostic tool that can guide you through IP and DNS troubleshooting without a full reset. If you had a recent firmware update, you may need to perform a factory reset. Remember, the access point acts as a gateway between T-Mobile's 5G network and your home devices, assigning IP addresses and resolving DNS queries. A key first step: verify your signal strength via the app and ensure the AP is positioned away from potential interference. The access point uses DHCP to assign private IP addresses like 192.168.1.x to connected devices. Conflicts or issues with T-Mobile's public IP can cause connection drops. DNS translates domain names like google.com to IP addresses. Errors in this process cause page not found issues even when you have connectivity. Start with a soft reset by rebooting the access point to clear temporary caches and reestablish connections. If soft reset doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds to restore factory settings. This resolves deeper issues like corrupted firmware. As a last resort, use the T-Mobile app to contact support for further assistance with any unresolved issues.